everybody, it's CJ. Thank you so much for joining me today. Today, you guessed it, I'm doing another pearl cell pour. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll be back with you at the end.
There's a new day that will come again tomorrow. There's a new day to wash away the pain. There's a new day to take away your sorrow. And the old ways get washed out by the rain. Darling, you've got to keep holding on through the night, 'cause I promise you this: if you try to get some sleep, if you give up the fight, if only just for a bit, there's a new day to leave behind your troubles. There's a new day, and it will set you free. There's a new day to get you through your struggles. I will always think of you and me. Darling, you've got to keep holding on through the night, 'cause I promise you this: and it will restore us. There will be new ways. This is not the end. I'm fed up with changes. Come pick me up cause I just wanna see the light. I wanna be weightless. Teach me to fly, I won't be coming down. Could somebody wake me up? I don't wanna be here and let the world pass me by. Yeah. I just see her face wherever I look. She's standing in the crowd. So let go, I don't want to, but I'm gonna try. When she left me, yeah, let a little bit inside. You know, maybe things are gonna be alright. Cause I just wanna see the light. I'm so sick of waiting and getting too restless to be in this dusty town.
You know, it was a lot of fun working on that piece. I wish I would have tilted more of the paint off there. There was excess of paint in the center. But amazing enough, it did not crack. It dried well, and it's a beautiful piece. I'll show you a picture. If you haven't subscribed yet, please do so. And I want to thank all of my subscribers. I hope to see you again soon. Bye now.